Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this quick tutorial you will get why your Outlook is working offline. First of all, it is important to check out how you will recognize your Outlook is working offline. So if you will see on the bottom, there is an option working offline. All accounts are working offline. This is the indicator that your Outlook is currently offline. You will not get any incoming emails and you will also unable to send a email. So to fix it, there is a very easy method, which is go to the send and receive tab, and in the performance section you will see work offline. This work offline button is already clicked here, so you will see the little gray color on the background. When I click again, you will see the background gray color is removed and it is trying to connect and connect it to Microsoft Exchange. That means currently your Outlook is back to online and you will now receive your new emails, and you can also able to send emails to your recipients. That way you can fix this problem very easily. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.